welcome, y'all. If you're new here, what's up? Hope you stay a while. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm back with a brand new video, and today's video is going to be exiting my lazy girl era. Because no cap, I've been off from the gym for a while. I'm currently sick, getting over a cold. It was really bad a few days ago. I've been off from work for like a week, so it's time to get back into the groove of things. Today's Sunday. It's time to just, my week starts tomorrow. It's time to get myself back together for real. Like, so I'm actually about to go on a fast. The Daniel fast, to be specific. I'll talk about that later on once it's complete. But like, that's the whole reason for my diet. And then like, I just want to start eating better anyway. Like, anyway. So this is my way of easing into that. I got some mason jars, some cheesecloth. We're about to juice. And then after that, I'm going to cook my meals for the week. My lunch and my dinner. I have snacks. Healthy snacks and stuff. So I'm excited. Let's see how this goes. I'm kind of... but I need it. I need to get myself right. Stomach flat. My birthday coming up. Like, it's time. I gotta stop saying tomorrow. And do it today. And so, yeah. So, y'all. My juicer kind of beat down. I ain't gonna lie. It's missing parts. So... we're gonna work with what we have to get what we need, okay? Period. So we're gonna work with what we got to get what we need, okay, guys? So yeah, I don't even know where the juicer from. Oh, it's Hamilton Beach, but right now I'm about to cut up my fruits. So I'm actually bringing that back over here. My kitchen got so much stuff everywhere. That lime is helpful, I'm not gonna lie. This is what we got so far. You know how much fruits I put in there just now? But I'm juicing all that spinach and all that celery. So, that says spinach. It's kale, but it's a kale from somewhere specific. Like a different country, like Chile or something. Yeah. I'm juicing all that spinach, all that kale. You know what? I'm just gonna throw the remainder of the ginger I cut up already. I'm gonna regret that, but... this is green juice, and the other one is gonna be red juice. I got more. See? Like. Now we're doing the red one. I'm finishing the rest of the kale and celery in here, so it has ginger, lemon, mangoes, and red apples. So we're about to juice that. Let me just show y'all. I made 2 full and 1 half bottles. So one is gonna be a red and green. Actually, I do know if it's gonna be red. I'm gonna add a little bit of 100% cranberry juice. The only ingredient is cranberries. So yeah, I'll be back. It's loud. I'm worshiping. So yeah, I'm listening to some music. So guys, this ended up being like a kiwi strawberry. I ain't taste none of them, and I don't intend to today. Not today, maybe tomorrow. They're gonna just sit in my fridge and chill, and now we're gonna clean up and then head on to lunch slash dinner. So yeah, and then I'm gonna eat lunch now. Well, soon. I made lunch and dinner yesterday. I'm gonna just finish that off and then make my, you know, lunch and dinner for the week. So yeah, this cooking got me exhausted already. I ain't even started. So we got plant-based protein, some brown rice. We're making stuffed peppers, but obviously vegan. So I got 2 peppers, red and a green. So I'm about to make my tomato sauce from scratch because I think to get tomato sauce in a can, I end up getting 2 little tomatoes. So I'm about to make tomato sauce from scratch. I made it before a long time ago. This one I really used to throw down in the kitchen, but I stopped cooking for a long time because I don't have space. Like, I need space to cook. I want an open kitchen so bad. So when I move, open kitchen for real. So I'm gonna tell y'all how I make tomato sauce from scratch. I learned this from Lilo Morton. I don't know if y'all know who that is, but that's my girl. Not too much on my girl. I think 2 plum tomatoes should be fine. I didn't want to get too many tomatoes, so I just cut them into 4s. It's going in the blender. Now, garlic powder, onion powder, thyme. You can use fresh, but I don't have fresh, so we're going with this parsley. Basil, oregano as well, but I don't think I have any more oregano. Yeah, I don't think I have any more oregano. So, but if you have oregano, add oregano. Add in the basil. Basil's important because that's what's going to give it that Italian flavor. Thyme is very overpowering, so be careful with that thyme. But that was too much. Hopefully it just balances out. Onion powder. You can add onions itself, but I'm adding onions to the dish, so in my opinion, nothing could be too oniony. So, and some parsley. You gotta add some water. Where's the water? And then you're gonna blend. This is what we working with. I don't got no vegan cheese, so it's not gonna have no cheese. But I use brown rice. I don't know if I said that. I just used the microwave brown rice because, yeah, I don't got time. But, yeah, I'm about to pop these in the oven. My oven's on 350. It's hot already. I had a little bit left over. I tried to stuff them as much as I could. As you can see, it's a little spilled out on the side. But they stuffed. So, yeah. And it's still not as saucy as I would hope, but it is saucy. So that should count for something. If I want to get some vegan cheese, I'll get it, but no guarantees. I have potatoes here for some home fries to make some home fries, but it's hot. But I like my home fries with peppers, and I just use my peppers. And I ain't buy extra pepper because I ain't think about making home fries, because I bought these before this weekend. I bought, like, went to the grocery twice, basically. Now what? The next meal is literally some vegetable fried rice from Trader Joe's and some garlic string beans. That's like my next meal. And then I got these. They must have just dropped these, y'all. The vegetable soup dumplings. I think, did I vlog this? I don't think I vlogged this. Yeah, I got a lot of stuff from Trader Joe's. Meatless breakfast sausage patties. I'll show y'all really quick. Some oatmeal. Can you see? No, because the brightness is now a little too high. What? 3 is fine. I got some steel cut oatmeal. But this is what I'm making next. Some shiitake green beans with the vegetable fried rice. But if I, you know, want to switch it up, I add these. I also have some vegetable spring rolls. Like I said, the meatless sausage patties. I only got 2 breakfast things. I'm not really a breakfast girl, but I do have avocados, no toast. I'll be liking hash browns for 2 minutes, and then once the hash browns get cold, I do not like them no more. That's from anywhere. It could be McDonald's. It don't matter. Like, I don't really like hash browns. Yeah, that's my least favorite type of potato. And then I got these. It's country potatoes. It looked really good on the picture, so hopefully they're really good. And that's what the other potato I bought was for. But this potato, I was going to make breakfast potatoes to go with my meatless sausage patties. So, yeah. I don't know if I'm going to make all this rice. But I do got a lot of food, so I think I should be fine for the week. I'm gonna make the whole bag of rice. See how long it stretches me. And I'm not gonna make all of these unless I want it then and there. I do not like how it tastes when it's not fresh. Does that make sense? Like, when it's fresh out the air fryer, it got a nice crunch to it, straight out the restaurant. But if you leave it in the fridge, it gets soft. I don't like a soft spring roll. I want it to crunch. The crunch does something for me. So that's where we are. I'm tired. So I'm about to get started on that. The remaining of that, I'm gonna put it to the side, and if I decide to eat that like by itself on the next weekend or whatever the case may be, I'm gonna do that. Hey y'all, so I'm back. Right now I'm watching Shits and Gigs. It's 2 o'clock, so we've been in the kitchen for about 2-3 hours now. It's hot now. Now it's hot because the oven was on. So this is what my peppers are looking like. Okay. It's the vegetable fried rice. And these shiitake green beans are so good. Like, oh my gosh. Whatever sauce is on there, let me see. They're garlic shiitake green beans in mushroom sauce. Good as hell. Showed y'all my breakfast options. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed my little exiting my lazy girl era video, my little healthy girl video. I'm gonna go to the gym and stuff. I'm not going today. I don't know if I'm gonna go to the gym or if I'm gonna just start working out again, like for real. at home, or because I want to find a gym. I'm not ready to commit to a gym yet, so I feel like I want to pay for more amenities, because Planet Fitness fucking sucks, and you really paying for what you get. You get what I'm saying? That little whatever it is, $11, $15, you getting what you pay for. So I want to go somewhere, especially because I work in the city now. I could go straight after work and make it a thing. And if I'm paying like $150, $200 for a membership, I'ma go. That's a bill. I'ma go. So, and low key, I want a gym with a pool. Cause baby, I love to swim. Recreation. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I'll see you on my next one.